Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gallery Labs on Samsung Galaxy S25. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Gallery application. This is the app where all your photos and videos are stored, and it usually comes pre-installed on all Galaxy devices. Step 2. Once you're inside the Gallery app, look at the bottom of your screen and you'll locate the menu option, 3 horizontal lines or more option. Tap on that to open the menu. Step 3. Now that you're in the menu, locate the settings symbol at the bottom right of the screen and tap on it to open the gallery settings. Step 4. Scroll all the way down in the settings menu until you see the About Gallery option. Tap on it. Note, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, as this step may require online access to verify the version. Step 5. In the About Gallery screen, find the Gallery version text. Tap on it multiple times quickly, like 5 to 7 taps. You'll see a message that says Gallery Labs is now enabled. Now press the back button to return to the previous settings screen, and you should now see a new option called Gallery Labs. Tap on that and you're in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.